my god, guys, look how much packages there are. You guys are insane, bro. This is what blows my mind, guys. Every time we do a merch drop, I literally get to see how many of you guys across the world are literally supporting me, and it's just insane. I cannot believe it. It's insane, bro. I'm speechless. I'm not trying to show anyone's address or anything, but like there's Florida, there's New York, North Carolina, New York, Texas, Palmdale, Illinois, Kentucky. Pretty crazy, guys. You guys are all over the world. South Africa. I think I had a New Zealand one. Like, bro, it's just crazy. It blows my mind. I can't even thank you guys enough. It's just insane how much support we got all over the world now. Look, guys, we literally filled up a whole tub of packages. You guys are insane. Everybody right now, comment down below, where are you guys from? I want to know where all the cities, all the countries, all the states, I want to know where all you guys are from. Some of these, like I said, are just mind-blowing. New Zealand, South Africa, Germany. God damn, these are heavy. Yeah, guys, I take them to the back of the post office. I'm trying to show you guys what I do every merch drop. Take them to the back of the post office, and then they sort them out and ship them to you guys. Isn't it crazy? All these packages come from my house straight to you guys. So yeah, guys, they're all right there, and they're all gonna go straight to your guys' house. I know I get a lot of love and support in like the comments and stuff, but once I see it in person like this, it just blows my mind. I appreciate all the love, all the support. And if you guys do want to support and cop something from the merch shop, it's the first link in the description. We still got a few hoodies and a few t-shirts left. Shop FindingNick.com, the first link in the description. Woo, I'm out of breath, bro. And like I said, comment down below. I really want to know where you guys are from, because like I said, some of those like cities and countries are just, it blows my mind, bro. I think there was one from Dubai too. Like, whoever's watching from Dubai, shout out to you. That's crazy.
Thank you guys for watching another video.
What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it to a little cars and coffee thing. The struggle to find this car meet, guys. We went to a car meet this morning. Oh. We went to another car meet this morning, and it was alright. Oh my god. The first car meet was alright, but we saw someone's story, and they're at this car meet, and we literally hunted down the address somehow, and we just pulled up. We don't even know whose car meet this is. There was no flyer or anything. But it seems pretty cool. There's some cool cars. At least we get to see some type of cars. The first meet had like maybe 6 cars. I didn't even vlog it. I was just gonna go home all sad. Woke up early for no reason, but we ended up finding this car meet, like I said. God damn. That shit sounds crazy. That shit's stupid loud. Anyways, today's the next day after the merch drop. I appreciate everybody who copped something from the merch drop. It means a lot to me. If you guys have not copped anything though, these are the new tees right here. Jordan's rocking the GTR one. My favorite. We also got the M3 version, which is pretty sick. Bro, that shit is loud. You go look at it real quick.
It's skinny.
Let's go hear it. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Oh my god, this thing sounds. Oh, oh my god, bro. The car's literally off and it shot flames. I've never seen that in my life. But the car was off and it shot flames. What the? She got a blown head gasket. Blown something. Wow, bro, that shit sounded crazy. I don't even know whose car meet this is. I don't know who threw it. Oh my god, look at that old school GTR.
Oh, the Hakusu.
Let's go look at that. Damn, look at this thing. R33. That's just pretty sick. Right hand drive. All the JDM cars. I feel like there's a lot of JDM stuff here, bro. Like everything's JDM. And those are small. What are those, like 15s? 16s. 16-inch TEs. Oh! Jordan loves those BMW tunes.
Yeah.
Look at this NSX. Damn, dude. It was on. This car was at the other meet that we were just at. That's just nice, bro. The rear end. Ooh, there's some R8s. And a GTR. And an R34. Looks very JDM with all the livery. But look at this thing, guys. Oh my god. This is literally one of the sickest cars I've ever seen. Look at the seats, bro. Damn, bro, this thing is literally mint. It's actually the first GTRs, guys. This is where it started. The generations. Look at this. And the R32's over there. These are the seats?
For such an old ass car.
It's just cleaner than my GTR. I swear. It's like a little JDM E30. E30 M3. I want one of these, guys. This is the one I really want. The more affordable one out of all the old school GTRs. An R34 will be fire, but that shit is hella expensive. Just put some wheels, slam it, maybe some bucket seats. It's done. This thing sounds crazy. Pro charger or what? This thing sounds sick, dude. Damn, bro, this shit's hard. There's 2 R8s, guys. Wow. That is the color on, I think. This needs to be slammed more.
That's what I'm saying. If it was slammed, I'll take it.
This needs to be hella slammed, bro. Dude, they're so sick. I really think that's the next car that I'm buying. That's the V10 Plus, I think, because it comes with the carbon everywhere. I think it comes with the carbon diffuser, this and that.
Yeah, you gotta get with that.
It's pretty sick too. The color? Damn, bro. I really want one, guys. You can see the exhaust is all colorful. That color is pretty sick. I actually thought about doing this color on the GTR when we first did it. Look, another R35.
Things like that?
What? Little red thing?
Little third brake light?
Nope. I don't know if I like that, honestly. I don't like it either. Some 240s? Oof.
That's clean.
That's just hard. I really want one. Oh my god, that one's hard too. That does have a full ass cage in there.
That shit was done up nice.
This thing's pretty sick, guys. Look at this. Woo! There's so many like JDM builds here. Little Evo, RX-7. These are clean too. This is also another car that I would love to have one day. I want to collect so many cars, guys. 240, RX-7, R32, Supra. All right, guys, today's finally the day that we get to put the dirt bike together. We got all the parts laid out here. It literally looks like a full bike build right now. If you guys remember, the dirt bike's torn in pieces. It looks like destroyed, bro. It doesn't even look like a dirt bike. There's parts everywhere. But we got our wheels powder coated all black. These things look really sick all black. A lot better than they used to. If you guys remember, they're like gray and they were all scratched and beat up. So they look brand new. Shout out to Bulletproof powder coating. We got these powder coated black, the sprocket black, the handlebars black. All brand new. We got a seat cover for the seat that we need to put on. We got new plastics, new grips, and then a new graphic kit, which I'm most excited for. I can't wait to see how the bike looks. We're turning a Yamaha into a Honda right now. This is about to look like a Honda, huh? All red. All right, guys, check this out. We got all the graphics on, pretty much all of them. My hands hurt, bro. I feel like I'm wrapping a car over here. Front of the bike. This thing looks sick, bro. It's gonna look like I'm a pro rider.
Twitch 2.0.
I'm so hyped to throw this on. Look at this, guys. It's been a few days, but the bike is almost done. Literally like 98% done. We only need a couple more things on the bike, but look how it turned out. Holy shit, bro. This might be one of the sickest dirt bikes I've ever seen. Oh my God, we got all the plastics on. We added some more stickers on there. Phone to Motorsport. We got FindingNick everywhere. This is so freaking sick, bro. I love how we did the black on the back. Like, I love the all black look right here. And then the front's like red. Almost all the blue is gone. There's a couple little more blue things that are on the bike. Like, these are blue still. Obviously the little spring in there is blue still. This thing is blue. So there's a couple blue things left that I want to get rid of. But yeah, guys, overall the bike's almost complete. The only little things that we need left, these are gonna go right here and bolts up like that. It looks so much better than the old blue ones. The guy who had the bike before me probably stripped these out, so we need to try to get these off somehow and then probably get new bolts. So that one's stripped, and I think this one's pretty stripped too. So yeah, we also need new bolts for these because there's 2 of them missing. These 2 bolts. Same on the other side. I think there's 2 bolts that are missing. Torque everything on the bike so I don't pop a wheelie and the wheel falls off. And then the bike is complete. It's literally done. I also want to change this out just because it's like faded. So I'll probably go buy another one of those. And then you guys let me know, do you guys like the red grips? I thought it was gonna look good. Like, it does look good with red grips. It looks badass. Because like the front of the bike is red, the back is black, but they look kind of faded. I did not know they were gonna look like this faded. They look orange, bro. Like, I'll probably just get black grips. I wanna make a whole dirt bike vlog this weekend, guys. Go ride in the dirt, maybe hit some jumps or something. I don't know. It'll be fun. It'll be my first time riding this bike in the dirt. But yeah, guys, comment down below. What do you guys think about the new bike? We also don't have the exhaust on right now. We got to put that on still. I kind of want to start it with no exhaust and see how loud it is. It'll probably be so loud. I'm going to try it real quick. I'm sure a lot of you guys want to hear how it sounds with no exhaust. Shit is way too loud, bro. I did not think it was gonna be that loud. That's way too loud. Damn, look at the GTR, guys. That shit looks so good. Sheesh. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the dirt bike content. If you guys are, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already. I'm probably gonna end the video right there. Hopefully this weekend, like I said, we're gonna go take the bike out, go for a ride, put the GoPro on, make a dirt bike video. And yeah, comment down below what you guys think about the bike. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.